Hey, what is happening, everybody? Welcome back to the Creation Station, and it is Bro Daddy here with a special drawing request for our awesome student Jason. So, Jason, this one is for you today. We are drawing a United States Marine Corps officer in uniform, just for you. And we wanted to model it off of somebody local, somebody famous. So I've picked the artist Shaggy, who grew up in Virginia Beach after being born in Kingston, Jamaica, and then after high school served our great nation in the Marine Corps before becoming a famous musical artist. So his Marine Corps picture might look very different from the one that Shaggy, the musician. His hair kind of grew out, and he grew up a little bit, got a little bit thicker and whatnot, and more lavish clothing. But so I wanted to do a very simple drawing, so we did a very basic 5-step cartoon face. And you can see we're showing the seriousness of the Marine. So he does not have like a happy, jubilant smile on his face, but it's very focused. And showing the different components of the uniform. So we have the hat, and it has the white brim on top, and it has the Marine Corps logo. And you'll see the Marine Corps logo line up inside the collar. It's going to be on the buttons on the side. It's going to be on the buttons that go up and down. And that's all the basics that we showed in our drawing today. So I hope you draw along and drop some suggestions in the comments of what you want to see next. And Jason, I hope you enjoy your drawing and have a fabulous spring break. And enjoy this rainy day down here in good old Bon Air, Virginia. All right, everybody. See you next time. We're out.